Willa has forced a change in plans for a cruise ship from Los Angeles bound for Mexico. It wound up docking in San Francisco, but some passengers believe tonight the crew actually knew the storm was coming before the ship was even diverted. KCAL 9's Brittany Hopper is live tonight in San Pedro with that story. Brittany?
And Susie, the ship left from here on Saturday, many of the passengers thinking they would be laying out in the sun. Instead, they're in their rooms. This is video of a Norwegian cruise ship's pool area. It's usually packed with the 4,000 passengers on board, but it's empty. Charlene Zankic, her daughter, is one of the 4,000 passengers on her honeymoon.
The people are disgruntled on the boat. They're not happy.
Not happy because the ship was supposed to go to the Mexican Riviera. But because of Hurricane Willa, which is headed toward Mexico and is already causing many tourist destinations to close down, the ship went to San Francisco instead.
I'm upset because the transparency wasn't there. You knew when you left this dock in San Pedro, when that boat launched, that Norwegian Cruise Line and the captain made the decision to reroute and change the itinerary. Why not let the passengers know?
Passengers are demanding answers as to why they weren't given the option to rebook before heading out to sea. We called Norwegian Cruise Line, but it was after hours and no one answered. For Charlene's daughter, she says the newlyweds saved for months to spend $5,000 for their honeymoon cruise, thinking it would be filled with laying out in the sun and swimming. Not this.
Heard that Norwegian Cruise Line bills themselves as being top dog, and today they were not top dog. They were something that you leave on the sidewalk from the dog.
Now the ship returns this Saturday, and we're told there will be a lot of unhappy people here. We're live tonight in San Pedro. Brittany Hopper, KCAL 9 News.